My question is, I'd like to know your thoughts on reincarnation. Do you believe in it? Do you think it's hogwash? Or, there are
Okay.
thousands of people, millions of people that do believe in it in
Yeah.
this world, on this planet.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for your question. Well, I used to believe in it in my last lifetime. This lifetime, Yes, I do believe in reincarnation. It makes sense to me. And you're exactly right. Millions of people believe in reincarnation, and millions of people have believed in it for thousands of years. It makes sense. To me it makes sense. How are you going to do it all in this lifetime? One lifetime. How are you going to attain that full God realization that Jesus and Buddha and Krishna and all these people talk about in one lifetime?